Hello and welcome to today's guide. Want to trade crypto on Coinbase using TradingView's advanced charts? I'll show you how to connect Coinbase Advanced to TradingView for seamless spot and derivatives trading. So ensure you have active Coinbase and TradingView accounts on Coinbase. Upgrade to Coinbase Advanced for trading access. Log in to TradingView at tradingview.com and verify your account. You'll need a Pro plan or higher for full broker integration, but basic charting works with Coinbase data. Check tradingview.com/brokers for compatibility. In TradingView, go to the trading panel at the bottom of any chart. Click Select Broker, find Coinbase, and click Connect. Sign in with your Coinbase credentials to authorize the connection. Once linked, you'll see your Coinbase Advanced account balance and can trade over 550 spot pairs or 100 plus perpetual futures directly. And that's pretty much it. I connected mine in minutes. After connected, you can start trading, guys. And that's pretty much it. Pro tip, test with BTC/USD to confirm the link. Like and subscribe and ring the bell for more trading tips. See you next time, my friends.